Hello everyone, welcome to my tessellation video or tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make my very own tessellation design. It looks kind of like a shuriken, but we're not going to worry about that. Here's what you'll need. First is a piece of paper, you can see right here. You'll need it, even though you don't in other designs. Two is a piece of 4x4 centimeters squared piece of paper, hardened paper, as you can say. It doesn't need to be pink. I just have a pink one on hand, so I'll use that. A pencil, an eraser, a scissor, a protractor, instead of a ruler, because we'll need this to measure the angles, and especially for this design, a compass. So let's start. First, you need to make this kind of stay on the paper. So we want to draw a line around this paper so that if it gets out of grip, we can replace them in place. Second, we need to measure how long each sides are, but since we already know it's 4 centimeters, we need to divide them in half twice, which means divide them in 4 parts, which is 1 centimeters each. So let me divide that. I'll make one side as an example and the rest will be a time lapse. Okay. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So in the end you should have 5 of these lines. Whoops. So in point number 2 and point number 4, which is this one and this one, use your protractor again, but this time flip it around and measure a right angle. You can use the edge of it, but since the edge is pretty inconsistent, you use this to make a right angle. Make the right angle for the first one, and then the right angle for the second one. And then you just simply draw the line down. And then for the second point, do the same again. And then what you want to do is to let it stay in place. Your compass now is when you need to use it. It's a bit out of camera. You want to measure your compass to be exactly 1.2 centimeters. Why that number? I worked with a few numbers and this turns out to be the best. So 1.2 centimeters. There. This is 1.2 centimeters. Now, on the third point, which is the point in the middle, you want to draw a circle that intersects both of these lines, right? The perpendicular lines. And then, at the intersection, you simply put the compass there and then draw a circle or an arc here. On one side only. The other side, I just made it so that if you need to check something, you can check it. And that's pretty much all of it. You do this for 4 sides and we'll continue to the next step. And that is now done. You will have something that looks like this. If you have that, we can now continue to the next